Hello students, we will start from our chapter number 12, How Heavy, How Light. Do you know the meaning of heavy and light? If you know the opposite of heavy is light and the opposite of light is heavy. Now what is heavy and what is light? Just see from some examples here. You can see here the ball. Is it heavy or light? You can see the other image, rice, but it is the sack of rice. Is heavy or light? Bat, is it heavy or light? Soap, is it heavy or light? Here there are some examples. From that you will know that what is heavy and what is light. First of all, this chapter belongs to the topic of weight, measurement of weight. From this, the first point you have to remember, standard unit of weight is kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1000 gram. In short, you can write 1 kg is equal to 1000 g. Here you can see it, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Now this is the second topic you have to remember. Balances are of different types. First is scale balance. You can see the picture here, scale balance. Then the next is two-pan balance. Now what is this? You can see in the image given here. Third is digital balance. Digital in the sense you should know that digital means number which are shown in this line. And the last one is spring balance. These are the different types of balances. Balance means one is, it has two sides. Left one is heavier or right one is heavier. It is known as balance. Textbook, one short story is given about our chapter Jaiju and Mannu were shifting house. Whenever you are going to shift your house, first of all, what you take with you? You have to take all the items which are at your home. For example, many things like water tank, 5 sacks of wheat, 3 tables, and almirah in the sense of cupboard, chairs, mattresses, then bamboo ladder, pots, etc. There are so many things you have to take while shifting your house. So here in this story, horse is refusing to pull a load heavier than 700 kg. Here the load in the sense you can say as weight of all the things is of 700, is more than 700 kg. Now how we will know? Let's see some example here given. Things loaded and weight. Here all the weight of the different things are given. Sack of wheat 100 kg, sack of rice 35 kg, water tank 50 kg, almirah 70 kg, a table 10 kg, a chair 5 kg, a mattress 20 kg, bamboo ladder 10 kg, pots and pans 10 kg. But here one thing is given, and previously there are so many things. See here how 3 tables, then 4 chair, 5 sack of wheat, then 3 sack of rice, pots and pans, and 2 mattresses. Means you have to add it here and count the weight. How you will do? A sack of wheat. How many sack of wheat are given in the previous paragraph? 5. So you will write it here 5. Then the next is how many sack of rice is given? 3. And next is table. How many tables are there? 3. Then how many chairs are there? 4. And how many mattresses are there? 2. So from this a sack of wheat will be 100 kg. Here the answer will be 500 kg. Then 3 sack of rice, 35 into 3. What will be the answer? 35 into 3. Now 5 3s are 15. 1 carry over, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 105 is a sack of rice. Then a table. Table 10. So 10 into 3 it's 30. So here write 30. Here write 105. Here write 500. And next is chair. How many chairs are there? 4. So 5 into 4 it's 20. How many mattresses were there? 20 into 2 it's 40. So these many of weights of these whole things. Now you have to check the answer. Just total these numbers while adding these numbers inside it, and your answer will be 835. And here it is given 700 kg. So we have to remove one items. The another word for remove is subtraction. So what you have to do? You have to subtract 700 kg from 835. So your answer will be 135. Means you have to remove 135 kg of weight. So horse can carry the weight of that things. So this is the short story. In the next question, you have to make your own balance. Write down how you made it and also draw a picture of your balance in the box below. Here you have to make balance by your own. Balance what you have to keep in mind, both the side. Balance always has both sides. This side also equal and this side also equal. If the balances are equal, then the thing is good. If one side is heavier and one side is lighter, this will be the topic of your measurement of weight.